Okay, July 3rd. I'm here with Chet and Cindy. And down here at Mommy, there's a bridge, there's water, waiting for fireworks. We walked 3 miles to get here, uphill all the way, in quicksand. And without my scooter. And Cindy was drinking, so she was tripping all the way. Well, you know, maybe she was doing something else. Really don't know. Trip. She just trip all the way. So, well, you can hear it's like, well, that 4th of July time. So, she'll probably go to sleep. We'll have to put her out there for the fishes. To be swimming with the fishes tonight. They're in the water. She'll be swimming with the fishes tonight. You got to be carp bait. There's no sharks here. Someone was selling little sharks on Facebook. They were selling little sharks. Like, when they weren't little, they were pretty big, but, you know. I was like, somebody was like, interested. I'm like, good for you. So, there's lightning bugs and Bigfoot, and Loch Ness Monster's out there somewhere. I swear I saw it. I saw his head, then it went down underneath. Got scared. I got scared. Damn. Okay. I think there's a war going on. Not sure. I think there could be a war going on. We're just sitting here waiting for it to get dark so that we can watch the fireworks and walk 4 miles back uphill in quicksand. Sunny's going to be left for the fishes. So you have to worry about that.
Why, they're going to be right there?
Huh? Because she's tripping.
Wait, you're doing it on the bridge?
The water's moving too. It really is. It's moving. So you'd be downtown for quick. You float all the way downtown. Everybody, peace out. Stay safe.